In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase or reduce message font size on Telegram. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Telegram app and then tap on these three dots. And from here, look for settings. And as you can see, my settings option is here. Tap on it. And then from here, look for chat settings. And as you can see, my chat settings is here. I'll tap on it. Now from here, you can see we have message text size. By default, it is set to 16. So if you want larger font size, you can go ahead and increase this font size, and you can see the increase in real time. Alternatively, you can reduce, and when you reduce, you make them much smaller. So that's how you increase or reduce your chat font size on Telegram. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.